If you get this error message on your Xbox console which says disconnected from cloud gaming session, something went wrong, please try again later, then listen to this video very carefully. You will get this error message, disconnected from cloud gaming session, something went wrong, please try again later, when there are issues with Xbox servers. If you go to Xbox support Twitter page, you can see they have already reported on this issue. As they say, we are aware users may be experiencing issues launching cloud gaming titles. We appreciate patience and please watch here on our status page for updates. So you'll get this error message when there are issues with Xbox servers. So if you go here to check server status to this link, which will be available on the description, as you can see, there are issues. On the service tab here, you can see cloud gaming and remote play. As you can see, launching cloud games, you can see right now is unavailable. So you'll get this when there are issues with Xbox servers. So just wait for a few hours and try again later, since the issue is on their end. Also, you can try restart your Xbox console and your router while you wait for the servers to be restored. So you can try to restart your Xbox console and the router while they are trying to restore the server. So but in most cases this issue is caused when Xbox servers are down, so you don't have to worry. Just wait probably like a few hours and the issue will be back to normal.